For many Canadians, owning a home is more than just a financial goal. It's about building a life and a future. A home is a place where you can truly be yourself, where you can express your personality and values, and where you can create a sanctuary from the outside world. It's not just about having a roof over your head. It's about having a space that reflects who you are and what matters most to you. For families, it's a place to watch children grow, to gather for holidays, and to share laughter and love. For individuals, it's a symbol of independence and achievement, a milestone that marks a new chapter in life. It's where memories are made, milestones are celebrated, and roots are planted. Every corner of your home tells a story. First steps, birthday parties, quiet evenings, and joyful reunions. The walls hold the echoes of your life's most important moments, and the rooms become filled with the warmth of your experiences. Over time, a house transforms into a future home through the love, care, and energy you invest in it. The pride of ownership goes beyond bricks and mortar. It's about creating a space that's truly yours. Whether you're painting the walls your favorite color, planting a garden, or simply arranging your furniture just the way you like it, every decision you make adds to the sense of belonging. Home ownership gives you the freedom to shape your environment, to build traditions, and to invest in your future. That's why buying a home is such a major emotional decision. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement, hope, and even anxiety as you take this big step. The process can be filled with anticipation and sometimes uncertainty as you weigh your options and imagine your life in a new space. The emotional investment is just as real as the financial one, and it's important to acknowledge both as you move forward. But with big dreams come big responsibilities, especially the financial kind. Home ownership is a long-term commitment, and understanding the costs involved is crucial. From saving for a down payment to budgeting for monthly expenses, there are many factors to consider. It's important to be prepared, to plan ahead, and to make informed choices that will set you up for success. The path to home ownership starts with understanding mortgages, the key to unlocking your dream. Mortgages can seem complicated at first, with all the different terms, rates, and options available, but learning the basics is the first step toward making confident decisions. Knowing how mortgages work, what lenders look for, and how to compare your options will empower you to choose the right path for your unique situation. The process can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate it confidently. There are resources, professionals, and tools available to help you every step of the way. By taking the time to educate yourself, ask questions, and seek advice, you'll be better equipped to handle challenges and make choices that align with your goals. In this guide, we'll break down the mortgage journey step by step, from getting your finances in order to final approval. We'll cover what you need to know about credit scores, down payments, different types of mortgages, and the approval process. You'll learn how to prepare, what to expect, and how to avoid common pitfalls along the way. My goal is to demystify mortgages and help you make smart, empowered decisions. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to move up, this guide is designed to give you the confidence and clarity you need. Let's get started on your journey to homeownership together. Before you browse listings, start with your finances. Saving for a down payment is your first milestone. Aim for at least 5 to 20% of the home's value. Set up automatic transfers to a high-interest savings account and trim unnecessary expenses. Don't forget closing costs. Budget 1.5 to 4% of the purchase price for legal fees, taxes, and inspections. Gather key documents, pay stubs, T4s, bank statements, and details on any debts. Being organized now makes the mortgage process smoother later. Solid financial prep is your foundation for home ownership. Your credit score is your financial report card, and lenders pay close attention. In Canada, scores range from 300 to 900. Higher is better. Check your score early through Equifax, TransUnion, or your bank. Review your report for errors and fix them promptly. To boost your score, pay bills on time, keep credit balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts. The longer your credit history, the better. Good credit means better mortgage rates and more options. Start building your score now. It's your ticket to approval. Manage your credit wisely for a strong financial future. Mortgage brokers are your personal mortgage strategists, guiding you through one of the most important financial decisions of your life. They act as your trusted advisor, taking the time to understand your unique needs, goals, and financial situation before recommending any mortgage products. Instead of you having to contact dozens of banks and lenders, brokers do the legwork for you. They shop around for the best rates and products, comparing offers from a wide range of lenders to find the mortgage that fits you best. This not only saves you time and money, but also ensures you're getting the most competitive deal available. Brokers work for you, not the lender, and their advice is usually free. They're paid by the lender. This means their main priority is to help you succeed, not to push a particular bank's product. They're motivated to find the right fit for your circumstances. They help you compare options, explain the differences between fixed and variable rates, and guide you through complex situations like refinancing, renewals, or buying your first home. Their expertise can be especially valuable when you're faced with confusing terms or multiple choices. If you're self-employed, a small business owner, or have a non-traditional income, a broker can be invaluable. They know which lenders are more flexible and can help you present your finances in the best possible light, increasing your chances of approval. They're your advocate throughout the process, making your application as strong as possible by helping you gather the right documents and avoid common mistakes that could delay or derail your approval. A good broker simplifies the process, answers your questions, and keeps you informed at every step. Their support can reduce stress and increase your chances of a smooth, successful approval. Think of them as your quarterback on the path to homeownership, coordinating the team, anticipating challenges, and helping you cross the finish line with confidence. When your application hits a lender's desk, they assess risk. They want to see stable income, ideally 2 years in the same job or industry. Lenders check your debt ratios, GDS, housing costs versus income, and TDS, all debts versus income. GDS should be under 39%, TDS under 44%. Your down payment must be from legitimate sources, and your credit history should show responsible borrowing. Lenders connect these dots to decide if you're a good investment. Strong income, manageable debt, and good credit are key. It's about proving you can handle the commitment. Mortgage applications require thorough paperwork, but organization is your ally. Start with government-issued ID for all applicants. Provide recent pay stubs, a letter of employment, and 2 years of T4s and CRA assessments. Show proof of down payment with 90 days of bank statements. If you're getting a gift, include a signed gift letter. List all debts and assets with supporting statements. If you own other properties or investments, provide documentation. Being detailed and organized speeds up approval and shows you're serious. Present a clear, complete financial story. The mortgage stress test is a financial safety check. Lenders assess if you can afford payments at a higher interest rate, your contract rate plus 2%, or the Bank of Canada's benchmark, whichever is higher. This ensures you won't be overextended if rates rise. Passing the stress test may reduce your borrowing power, but it protects you from future shocks. It's a short-term hurdle for long-term security. The goal? Make sure your home remains affordable even if life changes. The stress test encourages smart, sustainable homeownership. It's about building a buffer for your future. The lender's decision is a pivotal moment in your home buying journey. When you receive that long-awaited approval, it's a wave of relief and excitement that washes over you. All the effort, the paperwork, the saving, and the planning finally pay off. You might feel a sense of validation, knowing your financial discipline and commitment have been recognized. For many, this is a moment to celebrate with loved ones, to dream about decorating new spaces, and to imagine the memories you'll create in your new home. But if you're denied, it's natural to feel disappointment, frustration, or even self-doubt. It can feel like a setback, especially after investing so much time and hope. However, it's important to remember that a denial isn't a final verdict. It's simply a pause, a chance to regroup and come back stronger. Approval means you're ready to move forward and make your dream real. If denied, it's not the end, just a temporary stop on your path. Many successful homeowners have faced rejection before ultimately achieving their goals. Lenders will explain the reasons behind their decision, giving you a clear roadmap to improve your application. This feedback is valuable. It highlights exactly what needs attention, whether it's your credit score, income, or other financial factors. Common reasons for denial include a low credit score, high debt-to-income ratio, or insufficient down payment. Sometimes it's simply a matter of not having enough documented income or a short credit history. Work closely with your mortgage broker or financial advisor to address these issues. They can help you create a plan to strengthen your application and guide you through the steps needed to qualify next time. This might mean paying down existing debt, saving more for a larger down payment, or finding ways to increase your income. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. You might also focus on building your credit by making timely payments and reducing outstanding balances. Remember, many homeowners succeed after an initial denial. Persistence pays off. Use setbacks as learning opportunities. Each challenge teaches you more about the process and brings you closer to your goal. With persistence, a solid plan, and the right support, you can turn a no today into a yes tomorrow. Every step, even the difficult ones, moves you forward. Remember, every outcome, approval or denial, is a meaningful step toward achieving your dream of home ownership. The mortgage journey is detailed, but every step matters. It's about more than numbers, it's the bridge to your own home and future. Saving, organizing, and understanding the process protects you and sets you up for success. The stress test and paperwork aren't obstacles, they're safeguards. Home ownership is about building equity, stability, and a place to call your own. With preparation and knowledge, you can cross the bridge confidently. Your home is waiting. Unlock the door to your future. Start your journey today.